If a tree falls in a forest, and no one's there to hear it, does it make a sound? Now, go deeper. If no one looks at the universe, does it even exist? Welcome to the most haunting question in quantum physics, the observer effect. In the world of quantum mechanics, particles don't behave the way we expect. They don't sit still. They don't even have a definite position. They exist in a state called superposition, a cloud of probabilities, a blur of all possible locations, until you look. Imagine this. Fire a single electron at a wall with two slits. If no one measures it, it behaves like a wave, interfering with itself, passing through both slits at once. But when we place a detector to see which slit it goes through, the wave collapses. The electron picks one path. The act of observation changed the outcome. This is the observer effect. Not just a disturbance from measuring, but a fundamental shift in reality. Before observation, the universe exists in a haze of possibilities. Once observed, it chooses reality, it seems, waits for a witness. Enter the legendary thought experiment. Schrödinger's cat, a cat in a sealed box, linked to a quantum event, until someone opens the box. The cat is both alive and dead superimposed states. It's not that we don't know which one it is, it's that the cat truly exists in both states. Until we look. So what does this mean? Does observation create reality? Does consciousness collapse the wave function? Are we passive observers, or active participants in shaping the universe? This question has haunted physicists, philosophers, and mystics for decades. Einstein refused to believe this. He said, "The moon is there even if I'm not looking at it." But Niels Bohr replied, "Can you prove it without looking?" In quantum physics, reality isn't definite. It's probabilistic, and probabilities only solidify into facts when we interact with them. Today, quantum technologies like quantum computing and encryption depend on the observer effect. We're not just studying it, we're building machines that use it. It's not philosophy anymore, it's technology. So, does the universe exist if you don't look? Maybe it exists in potential, in infinite possibilities, but not in the concrete, defined way we experience it. Maybe reality is not out there waiting to be found. Maybe it's being co-created by consciousness. What if the universe isn't a thing you live in, but a mirror that responds when you gaze into it? A question that flips science into philosophy, and turns reality into a riddle. Because the more we look into the universe, the more it seems like the universe is looking back. This is beyond Newton, where the impossible starts to make sense.